Still scared to go full throttle. Grass down here is a little long. Can't really rip down here. As you can see, gets out there and almost disappears. And we're trying to stay low key. Coming back this way because I just thought I don't want to carry this back to the car. I was mentioning earlier, I might have noticed a couple of changes. Like the tires, for one thing. We're gonna have to play tree. Watch out for the tree. Woo. They're not quite so good for the Stampede, these tires, I'm gonna have to say. You can probably tell we back over here at Wicker Park. I don't got as much runway. Oh, what happened? One of my light bezels popped out. Ugh, darn it. We're gonna just shove it back in there and keep it moving. Thought the glue would hold, but I guess it just didn't do it quite like I'd hoped. So we'll just glue it a little better, that's all. It's only 3S. It's only 3S. It's only 3S, guys. I did change the tires. Sound like something in the drivetrain. No reason to be gentle on this because it's supposed to be with heavy duty suspension on here. So I feel it's real slick right there. Oh, don't take the benches out. This is the best place to stand. As you can see, the buggy did so much better with these tires. This thing is having a tough time keeping traction. But it is what it is, right? I ain't worried about that light bezel. We'll deal with that. Oh, trees. But I'm still running the same motor. The same ESC. Whoops, too hard. Too hard. Let's do it again. Tree flips. Let's do it again. I like it. Body rub. That's all that is. Should have gunned it. Ain't like the body shifted. Okay. But it's not coming off. And that's the whole point, right? What came loose? We just lost something. I don't think it's a big deal though, guys. But it happened, so let's do something about it. Did it break? Oh, it just came off. Let's see if we can push it back on and keep riding. And it's back on. Snapped right back on, guys. Gotta love that. Let me line this body up. We right back to ripping. Yes, I'm cockeyed. I ain't gonna keep fixing that. I'm gonna do this tree flip one more time. Okay. Trying to do it. This is the last time I'm gonna try this, guys. Did I say it was the last time I'm gonna try it? Y'all know how this is. You get stuck on the trick and you just keep going till you get it or break it. Maybe I need a better tree. Or a better spot. Let's try this side. Right in here. Yeah, look, that feel good right there. Oh. These roots are not friendly. Okay. We're done, because something looked weird now. Now this side popped off. That's what it is, gang. Ends keep popping off. I'm gonna accept it. I tried it, I couldn't do it again. I'm gonna go run and ride. Enjoy the battery. Just can't ride around like that. We're gonna go to LVC though, wherever that is. We're gonna ride to LVC, guys. I know you can't see what I'm doing, but hey, I'll put this light back in here. I said I didn't like the clipless body, but it seems to be doing pretty good right now. So I'm gonna have to say, maybe I'm wrong about the clipless body. Hey, I found the right tree. Well, that feels like LVC. That feels like LVC.